Cross-check that goalie. Habib Ulin.
Turn you back on.
Well, who scored your goal? Do you have him?
I'm shutting it off.
Oh. Okay, put the phone back on the charger. I'll call you next goal.
I said I'm shutting it off.
Okay, bye.
I'm shutting it off. Get mad at me. There we go. You're so cute,
Show
kid.
me again. Do it again. What? What?
It looks really fuzzy because the lights are off over here.
Tell mommy no. You gonna sneeze? Tell mommy
You're
no.
so silly, kid.
Tell mommy no.